Twirl and twirl, twirl, twirl. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. If this is your first time here, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know we here. As you can tell by the title, I'm coming to you guys with a pretty little thing try on haul. Super casual, super relaxed. Got a little bit of everything. I got some stuff for date night, vacation, loungewear. I'm taking multiple trips this year, baby. So I needed to have my wardrobe adjusted for the occasion, okay? I don't want to talk too long. I want to just kind of go ahead and get into the video. So let's do it. So this is the first piece that I got from Pretty Little Thing. It is this beautiful, like, abstract ruched bodycon dress. It's giving body, it's giving art, it's giving everything that it's supposed to give, like, and that's on period, okay? Love the mesh detailing. I love the cow neck. What is wrong with this dress? What's wrong with it? It's not one thing wrong with this dress. This dress understood the assignment. And I just have it paired with these rings that I also got from Pretty Little Thing, as well as these like chunky, heavy hoops that are also from Pretty Little Thing. I love it, period. Next piece is this set. So it's this corset lined top and then really cute ruched high slit skirt. I mean, do I not look like I should be in the Bahamas? This is so perfectly my ideal outfit on vacation, going to dinner or something like that. Oh my god. First of all, let's just talk about how dramatic this skirt is. Like, look at all the ruching in the back. It emphasizes like making your booty look good. And then in the front, it has this really high slit. Like, what? I really am favoring this corset as well because I love how they made it a corset down here, but they didn't put like that weird underwire around the boob area. So it's like, it's still really comfortable up here. My girls, like, they barely fit in the top, y'all. I got both of these in a size 6. I will have the name of the outfit, the sizing, pricing. I will have all of that listed on the screen for you guys. It just makes it easier for everyone. It just looks so light, airy, and like effortless. I love the pink, and then I love the little detailing of the dark spots around it. I just think this is a very, very cute outfit. I guess you could wear the corset with like jeans or something, but you could definitely find a different top to pair with this skirt, and it would still look so, so cute. Outfit number 3 are these long black and white striped pants. I love the pocket. I love how high-waisted they are, and this material is so comfortable. I obviously am gonna have to get them hemmed because they are super, super long. I feel like pockets just give you something to do when you're taking a picture. Like, you know, like just that make it kind of effortless. I don't know. And then I have it paired with this bralette. I really do like the bralette, but it's hard to tie things when you're like by yourself. It does have this wiring underneath, which I do like on this particular type of top. And it just like crosses and things like that in the back, which I feel like is super sexy. Next look is obviously super chill. You guys know I love my loungewear. Pretty Little Thing has some of the cutest little just loungy stuff. Like anytime I'm getting my nails done, running to the mall, grocery store, like this is typically what I'm going to throw on. I have these chocolate joggers. I love this brown. I think that this brown is so beautiful. I'm not really a huge fan of the Pretty Little Thing logo right here, but you know, it's giving whatever it needs to give. I have on this super like tight racer crop top. Crop top in actually 2 different colors. So I got this one, the chocolate, and then I also got it in like this beige color. I think the color is called like stone or something. But it's just this really cute, slinky, fitted racer crop top. I feel like you can never go wrong with these little basic tops, especially summertime. You can just pair these with pretty much anything. You don't even have to wear a bra. I got this a size down, so instead of a 6, I actually got the tops in 4s, which I'm very happy that I did because they fit me perfectly. And then I have it paired with this oversized button-down shirt. Originally, I thought the shirt was like flannel material, but it's actually super lightweight and like flimsy, as y'all can see. Very cute, very oversized. I think this would be really cute, just kind of off the shoulder. Paired with my Yeezy foam runners. The only thing I really don't like is that the sweatpants don't have pockets. I just think this whole outfit is just like a vibe. It's another super loungy set. Now these, y'all, these joggers, these shits is A1, okay? Like, I love everything about these. The color, the fit. You see how they're like super baggy, but then on my waist, they're super like still tailored to my waist. Plus they do have the string and that you can just hide. Pockets. I love the fabric. Like, these feel super luxe, kind of heavy. Like, I love that. Like, very comfortable. I really like the sage green. I don't have any joggers this color, so this is like a new colorway. Gonna be in my closet. And then I have it paired with this sage bodysuit. Very simple, just racer style. You guys have seen me in this bodysuit 1,000 times. I think I have this style racer bodysuit in every single color. This fabric though is not the same. Like, the other ones are more of like that the like stretchy, more comfortable. This fabric is a little bit more stiff, you know, still comfortable, but it's not as stretchy as the other material is, but it's still really cute. And then I also purchased this black denim jean jacket. Girl, this thing is a vibe, okay? Like, guys, I think I got the jean jacket in a size 8 because I wanted it to fit really oversized, but this is so cute. Another little off the shoulder moment, or you could wear it regular. I had to get the black denim because I have a lot of jean jackets, cropped, regular, super long and oversized, but I don't have any black. And I was just like, you have to have a black needed staple in your closet, okay sis? This is just like the same joggers as before, but now I just have on this like baby pink long sleeve bodysuit. Y'all know I love pink. Pink is actually my favorite color. So I just thought that this was very simple. I don't have many pink pieces in my closet. So, I mean, it's very simple. Even though it's long sleeve, it's super thin and lightweight. So you can still throw this on like now. Or I would like early in the morning when it's still kind of cool outside, or later on at night. I have another one of these from Pretty Little Thing in a nude color, so I already knew like the fit and stuff that it was gonna be cute, very comfortable. Guys, so this is actually the last outfit. I am obsessed. I am so obsessed with this. I feel like this is such a statement. You're wearing this outfit and you walk into a restaurant, you walk into a room, everybody is going to stare at you. Like, that's how I feel. Like, this outfit is just like a statement, from the sleeves to the skirt, even like the top of the neck, how it ties.
I feel like the polka dots, I don't know, I feel like I would want to see this in a different color wave
other than the polka dots. But I feel like the polka dots are cute. The polka dots are definitely giving with a red lip. Oh my God. This skirt is very similar to the other one. Very ruchy with the deep split. The difference is like this has the detailing right here where it just kind of hangs. But I think this is so cute. This is definitely a vacation outfit. But I definitely could see this being like a lunch outfit or a little brunch outfit. It would have to be a brunch where like y'all are doing the most, or like a lunch, like kind of upscale-y, I don't know, where y'all are kind of doing the most. It's giving very much big booty Judy. you know what? Pretty Little Thing in general, they just understand the assignment, okay? They are here for the girls, and they understand the assignment each and every time. I love it. Twirl and twirl, twirl, twirl. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Please comment below and let me know what your favorite little outfit is, how you guys feel about the haul. I'm just trying to collect all the looks, all the spring, all the summer looks for the girls. I'm just collecting them up and handing them to you on a silver platter. But that's it for this Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it helps me out a lot. I love you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye. Twirl, twirl, and twirl.